Editorial design demands structure and readability. In this tutorial, we're using Frame Mask to support that structure. Begin by setting margins and columns in your document. Editorial layouts rely on alignment. Use the Frame tool to define image areas alongside text. This ensures visuals support content instead of competing with it. Insert images into frames and adjust positioning carefully. The goal is balance, not decoration. Because Frame Mask is non-destructive, images can be refined at any stage. This is especially useful during late-stage revisions. Text and images remain independent but visually connected. This separation keeps the layout